G'day, this is Jason Sweezy here. A lot of you know me from around the world from two trading systems. First one's called Forex Pipsnagger, and the second one's called Forex U-Turn. Recently, by chance, I guess you could say, I stumbled upon something that just totally blew me away, and the man that created this system, his name is Mostafa. Um, I can't say his last name because I don't know how to pronounce it. But anyway, I believe he's a French guy and he lives down in Morocco. And anyway, he created this trading system here called the BKFX system. And what I'm about to go on here is I just want to share with you guys some more clarity of entries and exits and no trades and stuff. And the reason that I'm doing this is because his manual is not very how would you say, descriptive. It's very short and he doesn't go into a lot of detail, and I believe the reason is because maybe English is not his second language. So anyway, I just want to go over the chart here with you and show you this system. As you can see, it looks like a wave here, like electronic waves here kind of thing. And how the system works is simply you just look to buy off the green line and sell off the red lines. Okay, so this is a 4-hour time frame. And anyway, below this, the bottom of here, he has what he has is called a timing indicator. I'm not showing that in the screen because I can't show you everything. You know, he doesn't show that on his page either. So anyway, I just want to go over with you some points of how you enter and how you exit and so forth. Okay, so let's look at this here a little closer here. And as you can see, it doesn't show a lot of past history. And if you were to expand the chart or try to expand the bars on this wave system, it will totally distort it and you won't be able to go back too far. So on the 4-hour time frame, we got 4 weeks here to look at. So each dotted white line is a week separation. So anyway, the first trade that occurred here was right here. Okay, you had a bounce right off the green line. Okay, and then you just look to get in long. Your stop would have been right below this spike, and as you can see, up it went, and you would have taken your profit right here at the blue line. So you would have got in, say about right here at 42.35. Your stop would have been around 85 pips, and up to the blue line you would have made 206 pips. Okay, so you know you could also instead of just using the timing filter below as a confirmation, another little trick which I'm adding to the system is what you could look for is if you're looking to buy, you'll look for a bullish candle formation. So here's a strong close up bull candle. You would have got in right here on this candle, and up you went to the blue line to the target. So, or you could look for engulfing candles or dojis or pin bars or whatever, okay? And once you combine that with the time filter below, then you'll have a double confirmation to go long and take the trade. Okay, so anyway, we did this trade here. So we got in here and we got out here. It's around 200 pips. Okay, well, 180 now that I decided to add my little factor of the bull candle here. Okay, so as you can see, we went up to the gray line here, but there was no trade here because it didn't hit the red lines. Okay, and then it went sideways, and again, it did not hit the green, one of these green lines, so there was no trade set up here as well. Okay, and then up we went again, never hit, went sideways for about a week here, and then almost hit it here, and then here, bang, it just kissed the red line, and you would have hopped in somewhere along here, and down it went right to the blue line, to the target line. So the target here in this trade, here's another about 160 pips. If another thing you could do is, instead of getting out at the blue line, what you could do is you could start moving your stop and trailing the stop behind it. So if it keeps going, okay, you just keep trailing it all the way down until it turns around. So in this trade, realistically, if you trailed it all the way down to say somewhere down here, there's 455 pips from the entry to where we are at this present moment. And the same with over here as well. You would have got in here if you trailed it all the way up, okay, and then it turned around here, okay. You got around 315 pips out of this trade if you would have kept moving your stop in behind the close of these bars, or these candles, I should say, all the way up. So anyway, I just I wanted to make this video for all of you to understand this. And in my opinion, I've been trading 10 years, and this is the most powerful counter trend trading system I've ever witnessed. I've never seen anything like it, and I'm sure you haven't either. Like this isn't some moving averages on a chart or some lines, support and resistance lines. It's just simply a wave, a wave of profits once you get in and out. And what's really cool about this whole thing is that it's going to turn you into a professional trader, because you're basically buying near the bottom and selling near the top. Most systems, they don't get you in, near the top and near the bottom. So you'll basically be top and bottom picking. So anyway, I hope what I just went over here with you guys, I hope it, helps you to trade the system, more efficiently than just reading the 2-page manual that comes with the system. It's just because his English isn't so good. But I tell you, this is a system and this is a tool you want to keep. It's an absolute amazing system. I'll even go as far as saying I think it's better than my U-turn system. It's more accurate in a way. Like when you get in these trades, it's just mind-blowing. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this. Once again, this is Jason Sweezy, and you have a great day.